There it goes. The engines are ignited and liftoff.
5 rockets and the third space-based infrared system for the United States Air Force.
Told you it's bright. The rumble is coming. Be ready for the rumble. It'll build a little bit. Rumble will not hurt you. Don't be alarmed. It's okay. Going in an easterly pattern. It has to go to the east. It is going to the east. Now remember, 80 seconds. We're going to break the sound barrier. It's accelerating so fast. And then about 4 minutes after the launch, it's going to separate that big main core stage on the bottom.
Traveling at 1,700 miles per hour. And we've brought it down to 95% right on time.
See, it's moving to the east. It has to go over the ocean. East. It has to do that.
Center LH2 tank as expected. Levels look good.
You're as close as anybody can be to this rocket. That was a pretty good ride.
Through 2 minutes in this mission, everything looks good.
Okay, keep watching, and yeah. Go Atlas, go Sibir's Geo3. All right, it's clear. We should be able to see the separation here. The main engine cut off about 4 minutes after the launch. About 4 minutes.
50 seconds in, everything looks good. And you continue to operate percent thrust as expected.
And then the bottom part of the rocket, the main core stage, the bottom part will come off. Be tough to see it with any detail because it's so high up there.
Normally, seeing good engine pressures. Continue to fly right down the center of the range track. 31 miles in altitude, 50 miles downrange, traveling at 5,100 miles per hour.
Sound barrier is about 800 miles an hour, and it did that in 80 seconds.
We brought it down to 92%, right on time.
You see the shooting star?
Yeah.
We had one last night,
The
too.
vehicle continues to actively steer.
Yeah.
Good engine pressures at 92%.
Getting close. About a minute, less than a minute. Let's see if we can see the main engine cutoff there.
And the vehicle now loses 25% of what it did at liftoff.